wig from SHEIN. This is my first time trying a wig from SHEIN. Y'all, yeah. It's a blonde wig from SHEIN. Ta-da! Brownie for my brownie. Okay. Yeah, this motherfucker's shedding already, G. Like, what the fuck? But, and the box came all bent up, like, damn. Have some damn motherfucking, what the fuck is the word called? I don't even know what the damn word is called. But y'all, I'm finna dye the wig using these two colors. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because this is my first time. Is this my first time wearing a colored wig? This is my first time wearing a colored wig outside of like red or like the little orange colors I already wore. But yeah, I gotta start dyeing these wigs instead of dyeing my natural hair because that's why I had to do another fucking big chop. Or that's not why I had to do another big chop. I wanted to do a pixie cut, and so that's why I cut my hair. But then I dyed it and relaxed it, so I had to cut it like all the way off again. So yeah, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna start dyeing these wigs different colors instead of my natural hair. Even though I already know I'm finna go back to motherfucking dyeing my natural hair because I just like dyeing my natural hair. And I'm sitting here to talk about a whole bunch of nothing, y'all. Would y'all believe me if I said I met a ninja turtle? I said a ninja turtle. A ninja turtle in real life. Like, I met a ninja turtle in real life. Y'all finna see me install this motherfucker on myself. I'm just waiting for this damn WATERCOLOR to dry. And it's hot water to warm up. Where I could start to, what you call this one?
Yeah, so I'm just getting some hot water up into whatever you're using to dye your wig. And then you want to get your color, and I'm using the color Jade by Adore. And I didn't go in with the whole bottle at first, but I ended up using the whole bottle anyway. So you want to make sure you mix that real good. Make sure there's no dye left, like no clumps of dye left at all, because that's going to fuck up your wig or mess up your wig. Then you want to just keep on dipping and like combing through the hair so it can get all the hair dye. And I didn't tone the hair before just because the color I was going for. But usually you want to tone the hair before you try and dye the hair. But then after that, a little bit of sky blue from Adore and mix a little bit of that in just to get a darker color on the root part and like the ends, because I wanted it to be like a ombre type look. And this is the color. It's more like a mint green at the top, faded into like a darker blue. But it came out really cute. Yeah, this is the hair away. So now we're gonna get into the bald cap method, y'all. But first you gotta do a wave check. Wave check. G. And don't talk about how my braids don't touch the back of my neck, G. And then I'm going in with my got-to-be glue gel slick back my edges, and baby, yes, I do have edges. My hair is just a teaspoon long right now. It's fuck it. We just not gonna speak on what's going on with my hair under these wigs, okay, baby? But anyways, you wanna cut behind the ear so you can do the ear tab part, like so the wig can lay flatter by, or the wig cap can lay flatter by your ear. Then I'm going in with my got-to-be glue spray. And I'm spraying around my hairline a couple times, letting that dry. So my wig cap can be giving a bold cap. And I don't go on with a blow dryer. I just let that shit air dry. And then you want to just cut that shit off. You want to just go in a zigzag motion to like mimic your hairline type stuff, you know. After I cut the cap off, I'm going in with some alcohol on my hairline, and then I'm just going to tie up the back part of this wig cap. And then after that, I'm going in with my foundation shade on my wig cap. Yes, I'm using foundation. Oh yeah, slap some foundation up in that wig too. On the lace. Put some foundation on the wig lace too. And I just went back in with some more alcohol, and then now I'm putting the wig on. But what I did forget to do is cut the ear tabs before I start putting the glue on. I should have cut the ear tabs of the wig before you do this step. But I'm going in with 3 layers of bow hold. The Alonzo Arnold version. I don't know what the specific name is for it, but it's bow hold. I'm going in with 3 layers of bow hold, and I'm just letting that dry clear each time before I lay the wig down. I don't know where the footage of me actually laying the wig is, but you want to put that band on after you lay the wig, and now I'm just getting all the flyaways pushed back and readjusting the wig band. And then I'm going to cut some slits in the lace so it could be easier to cut off the lace. This is my first time like doing the install this way. Usually I just cut the lace off like as one big piece, but I wanted to see if it'll lay down better if I cut it in multiple pieces. Then when you take that band off, you just want to go through and hot comb everything once again to make sure everything's back, because you're finna cut the lace. And usually you want to use like a razor or whatever it's called. But I'm just using these tiny scissors and then cutting in a zigzag motion. Next, I'm going in with some makeup on my hairline. And after this step, you also probably want to use a little bit of spritz or like whatever holding spray, wig lace spray you use, and put your band back on before you do the edges. But I was doing things differently today, so instead of that, we just gonna put some makeup on the lace and go straight into the edges. lay my edges down, I'm using edge control and got to be gel. This is just what I like to use because I like a slicker edge look. Then after I get my edges to how I want them to look, I go back in with the band. And then I'm gonna finish styling. So I think I'm just gonna finish straightening it. And then after I ended up curling it. But I don't know where the footage of me curling it went. So this is just me finishing the styling process. Just straightening everything out, getting the lace to look flat. And another thing I forgot to do with this wig is fix my part and put like my color concealer on the part so it could be like a straighter look part. But I was putting it into a ponytail for a different style anyways.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on a minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga I was on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them hoes get KB, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, yeah. Count up the merchants, I promise some patience. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more head than the tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. I got a rich and get no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. Got me sad.